This is my Android Studio mobile apps movie app project. So my project doesn't work right now, it doesn't run, but it builds. I can go through the files. This is the build file. Configure dependencies for libraries such as retrofit, room, jetpack compose, enabled KAPT for room, and set appropriate Kotlin compose compile version. The next one is, so these are all my files. The next one is the network module. Here, let me close this. So here we set up a retrofit to make the API call out to the OMDB API. We created a API service object that initializes the retro instance for network requests. And the next one is this one, which defines the interface for retrofit and can you see it? Retrofit with the search movies by title function that will fetch the movies based on the title. It uses a get annotation to specify the API endpoint and the query annotation for the query parameters, like any API key or search query. The next one we can go to is the movie response. So here's the code for the movie response. It's basically a data class to model the response structure from the OMDB API, including fields for searching results like the movie details, like the year, title, or the IMDb ID, which is all these stuff here. So anything here we can use to search up the movie. The next one we'll go to is the search view module. Search view module. So here on the search view module, we created a view module responsible for handling the logic of fetching more movie data from the API. It uses Kotlin to make network requests and store a result in a state flow for UI updates. The next one is, we can do this one. So this is search movie screen. It's a function that will define the UI for searching movies by like the title. It includes like a text field for input, a button for triggering the search, and a lazy column to display the movie result. And those are the codes. We'll move on to the Android manifest, just to keep this quick. It basically adds internet permission to allow the access to make internet network requests to the OMDB API. And those are my codes, the files I built, these ones. So when I do sync, the project syncs, but then so it's synced now, but when I go to device manager, I get this error which doesn't let me run the project.